Hey guys, so this morning we'll be looking at the Euro US dollar, and as you all well know, I like to start from the larger time frame. So let's look at the weekly, uh, as it helps us get a better perspective of the smaller time frame. Okay, so on the weekly, what do we have? We see that this market is in a downtrend. Okay, let's look at it this way. Market has come all the way down from here. Okay, went up for a bit, came down, pulled back, pulled back, pulled back, down, pull back down, pull back down, pull back down, and then boom, broke bullish at this point. Okay, so this is a break bullish. Okay, came up bullish, pulled back bullish, pulled back bullish, and boom, broke bearish. Because we're expecting to see a pullback and higher prices to take. We moved our take prices higher than this level. Okay, above that level. But that didn't happen. Instead, we saw this down move come to take out this low. Therefore, telling us that the market is in a bearish trend. Okay, it's ready to go bearish. So now we are bearish once we're down, have a pullback right into our zone, which we marked out from earlier on, and we're seeing the market reject from this zone. And if everything stays in place, we want to see prices go all the way down to take out this level, and then begin to pull back and continue on the bearish run to eventually come and take out this level here. Okay, eventually price should come take out this level here. Okay, this should be the ultimate goal. Okay, so on the weekly we are obviously bearish. Let's look at other time frame. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, what do we see? Remember that the weekly we have the market in a bearish swing and on its extension. So on the daily we can see the same thing repeat itself. So we have this down move, we have our weekly zone, market has gone all the way into that zone, rallied into that zone, and has begun to reject from that zone. Okay, but then remember the last down move before the last up move that took us into the zone on the daily is from this zone. Now we have seen prices come all the way into that zone and can either reject and look to make prices take prices higher than this level, or you might reject for a bit and then break down, clearing out the daily zone to move in the direction of the weekly, taking us all the way down to our target down here. Okay, but for now, all we can say about the daily is that it is bullish. It is bullish until we see a break below this level, break this below this level, which invalidates this zone. We still hold on to our bullish. But what we see now is market doing this, an impulse, a pullback, and we expect an extension above this level. Okay, so on the daily we are bullish. Let's go down to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what do we have here? On the 4 hour, remember that on the weekly we are bearish, on the daily we are bullish, and on daily we are bullish, but currently in a bearish retracement. Okay, so on the 4 hour, what do we see? We can see how well prices have melted from this point. We see price went up, pull back, up, and then began to break down. This down move, clearing this level, resume the bearishness. So we have a bearish move, a pullback, a lot of sideways movement, and eventually, boom, clearing liquidity here, giving us a second downswing, then a lot of back and forth, and then finally, boom, break below this level, pulls back. In that pullback, it takes out this level, turns bullish. But I would say that bullishness was to come take us into this zone here, which happened, and the market went down to take out these levels. Okay, that down move has pulled back again, and now reacting to this large zone. Let's bring this up a bit. So the market is now reacting to this large zone here, which is a block, which we call the parallel pace block, the PB. And you see it coming, even though we have refined it to this point before going down. Okay. So on the 4 hour, we agree that this market is bearish. We want to see prices go significantly lower. It's already hitting the daily zone, okay, and we can expect to see some bit of reversals, taking prices higher, okay. But then, be that as it may, we might experience a situation where uh, prices will move in the direction of the 1 hour for quite a bit. Uh, so we'll see a down move, or even a 4 hour pullback, and then maybe give us lower prices still within this zone, okay, before eventually breaking bullish this move, pullback, and then go all the way up. Okay, now whichever way it is, the 4 hour is bearish. We are yet to see a bullish reversal. A bullish reversal should be a clearing of this zone, that should give us a bullish confirmation. So we want to see this. That will give us confirmation that this market has switched bullish on the 4 hour. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour and see what we have here. All right, on the 1 hour, what do we see? Um, okay. On the 1 hour, it is clear that this market was bearish at this point, then went bullish by clearing out this high. And then our zone was actually here. It was our zone, even on the 1 hour as well as the 4 hour. We wanted to see market come, retrace into this zone, and then give us a systematic movement to the top, come and clear out this high. Okay, but we didn't see that happen. We saw market come into it, try to reject, came into it again, try to reject, but eventually yesterday it fell through. It fell through yesterday, so our bullish perspective on the 1 hour is gone. Okay, now we are completely bearish on this time frame. So we're bearish, we push down, taking out this level, and then we have our zone clearly marked out where we expect the price to come into, and we saw price move significantly into that zone before a push away. So we have an impulse, rather from here, an impulse, a pullback, and an extension, which we expect to go all the way down to clear out these levels. Okay, so on the 1 hour we are also bearish, and the trade has moved already, but it's not a bad idea to still catch some of the action here. We have seen this pullback. We could try this, maybe this one here, and target would be over here. It's less than a 1 to 1, so I don't even like the idea. So I would rather stay out, wait for the market to hit this level, and look to continue on this trade. But whatever it is, the market is looking bearish on the 1 hour. We expect prices to drop significantly lower, maybe clear out this zone, perhaps clear out this zone, come deeper into the daily zone before you turning bullish to go all the way up. But eventually, the market will U-turn bullish. Okay, so that's our perspective on the Euro US dollar, and let's know what you think about it.